everyone. All right, so here we are, Thursday. It's Thankful Thursday. All of today's profits donated to charity. It's $7,000, donating to first responders and firefighters because, as you know, I had a little bit of a fire this week. My generator caught on fire, which was a little disappointing.
I look open, flames! I open it, flames are coming out here. This is on fire. This thing there's flames coming up here. We're in a fire situation.
That happened. I'm glad that I was home and able to put out the fire. But in any case, for Thankful Thursday, for the last 6 or 7 weeks, this is what I've been doing every week. And my donations right now, before today, we're up to $139,000. And today will bring us up to $146,000. This Friday, our anniversary sale ends. So what I was wanting to do for our anniversary was sort of pay it forward with Thankful Thursday and lead the way by showing you guys how awesome it can be to take some money off Wall Street and send it to Main Street, your local communities. And we also wanted to give back for you guys, and that's why we've had our anniversary sale going on. I'll put a link down in the description. You guys can check it out. It ends Friday. That's tomorrow. So make sure if you want to join us, you use that coupon code right down there, you check out that page, and you jump in. This is a great time to learn. While the market is slow right now, it's a good time to learn because this forces more discipline. It's better to learn when things are hard than to learn when things are easy. Because when the market's really, and it's not, I don't want to say easy, but when it's certainly easier than it is right now. It's on a spectrum. And even on its easiest, day trading is still very hard. Okay. So with that said, when the market is really hot, some people just have beginner's luck. And what's unfortunate about that is that they may break all the rules and still have a winning trade. It's because the market's hot. That doesn't teach good discipline. And so when the market cools off, they may have a false sense of confidence and then they incur losses. It's much better to practice in a simulator during the cold market, sort of sharpen your blade there, and then once the market heats back up, you're just better off doing it that way. It's not what a lot of people do, but I really think it's the better way to do it. So anyways, I encourage you guys to check out the Warrior Starter or the Warrior Pro course. We'd love to have you guys join us. And as always, my results are not typical. Trading is risky and most beginner traders lose money. So you should assume you will also lose money. Only trade with what you can afford to lose. And with that in mind, trade in a simulator before you put real money on the line. And with that, I'm gonna let you guys go. I hope you have a great day. I hope you enjoy the recap. Hit that thumbs up. I've got a waffle thief right here. She stole my waffle this morning and now she wants me to open the door for her and I'm not gonna do it. All right, I'll see you guys tomorrow. All right, everyone, so we're gonna do a midday market recap, finish the day up 6,900, just under 7,000. So a green day, I was up at the very most, maybe 7,500 today. Didn't really give back too much off the top. But just like yesterday, just like the day before, and just like the day before that, it has been really hard to catch any momentum. It's been sporadic. I mean, there was this unusual move on IHT this morning that did give some opportunities, but I was very skeptical of it. My biggest winner was actually, on this trade right here. As it curled up, I said, all right, well, it's doing a false break of the VWAP. This might give a retest of the highs, and it did. But really, it was hard to trade, and it doesn't make sense. It's got no news. Doesn't make sense that it's up this much, especially in this market. RHE took a stab on that first daily candle, making a new high. We got a couple pullbacks. It went a little higher, but wasn't easy. And MTR, this one hit the high day Momo scanner. I got in at 6. It dropped. Then it rips through 6 to 650 up to 693. I tried to buy the dip. I did make some money back on that, and then, it dropped back down. So just not an easy day. But this is sort of the story right now of small caps, that it's been very choppy. We're not seeing a lot of momentum, but I'm trying to keep my head above water, and I'm trying to trade with smaller size so that I can hit, a couple base hits here and there. And if I can make a couple $1,000, that's great. So today is Thankful Thursday. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to donate to a couple different charitable organizations here. We've got Great Barrington, which is the town where our office is, police K-9 program. So they're police dog passed away, so they've set up a GoFundMe to get a new one. So we'll do that one. National Fallen Firefighters Foundation, Boston Firefighters Burn Foundation, another First Responders Foundation, the Leary Firefighters Foundation, and a GoFundMe for a fellow in New Haven who died in a fire. So, as you guys know, I had a little bit of a fire situation earlier this week. Obviously super grateful to the fire department who came over here, but wanting to do something special to, pay it forward. So I'm going to split the $1,000 or the $7,000 across these 6 organizations. So it's about $1,200 each. So that's good. Usually I would do increments of $2,500, but I didn't make enough today. Market's just moving a little slower. So we'll donate out to those organizations, keep paying it forward, and be hopeful that, we're going to get some better action here. And we will. I mean, this is the ebb and flow of the market. This is how it's always been. It just always feels like the cold streaks will never end. And you're just, it just drags on. And then next thing you know, it's like a light switch. The market just fires back up. And then just like a light switch, it turns back off again. It's really funny how it happens. So you just have to kind of, my approach, at least that's worked for me, is just try to get through these, just try to get through these periods. And I'm doing the best I can. Last month was slow. This month is slow, but I'm so far keeping my head above water a little bit better this month than I did last month. But of course, there's still ample amount of time for me to screw that up. I have to really try to stay disciplined. So I had a couple good days last week. Last Friday was a great day. I was up over 50,000, but then gave back 25 of it. So finished up 29,000. Not great on Monday. Tuesday was red. Yesterday was okay. Today's okay, but this has been a particularly slow week so far. But hey, maybe things pick up tomorrow. I don't know, or maybe not till Monday, but they will pick up. So I'm just gonna keep showing up each day and waiting for the momentum and waiting for that faucet to get turned back on. I can't wait for it, but I have no choice but to wait. So just be sitting tight, and I thank you guys for tuning into the recap. I hope you enjoy it. As always, in case you didn't already know, trading is risky. Most beginner traders lose money. This is the reality of trading. It's hard. Choppy markets like this make it even more difficult. Sometimes beginner traders will come into the market when the market's really hot. They might have the good fortune of some beginner's luck, but it's luck, and then that luck wears out, and then you realize you actually need to have a very real strategy, a set of skills, and a system of how you manage risk. And if you don't have it, you will lose money. And that's what happens to most traders. So as always, my results are not typical. You should trade in the simulator before you put real money on the line. And I'll see you guys first thing tomorrow morning for Friday. We'll see if we can finish off this week with one more green day. All right, I'll see you guys on Friday.
And that right there was an entire video with no ads. I don't monetize my YouTube channel with video ads, which means you guys get to enjoy the content. But do me a favor, please hit that subscribe button and give me a thumbs up and let YouTube know that this channel is the channel to watch if you want to learn about day trading.